Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in the heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Guys, welcome back to Lady T Got the Tea. Today, you seen that thumbnail, we are making some sugar cookies. And let me say happy Vlogmas Day 4, it should be. So let's make some sugar cookies. So I have some, this is Kerrygold butter, and this is softened. We're gonna put 2 sticks of butter in there. Get my little spatula and get all that off of there, boo. So we're doing 2 sticks, which is 1 cup of butter, you guys. It's good butter, y'all. Okay. And we are going to mix this a little bit and get it a little white and fluffy. And I am going to play some music for y'all.
I woke up this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling.
Okay, remember to scrape your bowl down in between. Okay, so now we're going to add my flavoring, and I am using the clear vanilla, because these are sugar cookies, you guys. I just eyeball it. There we go. To that, I am also adding 1 cup of sugar. 1 cup of sugar. And we are going to mix again. Start off slow, and then I'll crank it up a little bit.
I can't wait to hold you. We'll be sitting by the fire and watch our favorite movies on TV.
Remember to scrape that bowl down, you guys, and get that sugar and butter mixed together really good. So scrape down to the bottom, bring it on up to the top. And I'm gonna give it one more good mix to make sure this sugar is all incorporated. I have 1 egg. Let me take this off so you guys can see. But I have one beaten egg. Just don't throw the egg in there. And we're going to pour that in there. Make sure we get all the egg out. We're gonna scrape all this off of there. So we got that in there. This is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. That's going to go in. And I'm going to mix that a little bit. Get that incorporated.
Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. I can't wait to hold you.
Of all-purpose flour, but I'm using my cake flour. Basically the same thing, except this is sifted, so it's a little bit finer. And I'm going to turn the mixer on low and start adding in this flour slowly. So here we go, you guys. So now what I'm going to do is put this in some saran wrap, and I will show you that. I wrapped it in just cling wrap, and I have it like, I'm going to say about 1.5 inches thick, because I will be making cutouts. Now everybody won't tell you this on their video, but this needs to be chilled at least 6 to 8 hours. I'm going overnight, so do you. But if you're doing cutouts or whatever, you're gonna let this sit and get hard. That's what you want, so those cookies could form. So this is Lady T's sugar cookie recipe, and join me tomorrow on Vlogmas number what are we doing, 5, for making these Christmas cookies. So stay tuned, you guys. Till the next one. Peace. Boop.